Welcome to Craft Chocolate TV. My name is Dylan Butterbaugh from Manoa Chocolate, and today we are going to discuss the simplest tricks and techniques to improving your chocolate. Now, my first recommendation is the basics. It's buy good beans. And this is a little bit subjective, but only to a point. There is good quality cacao and bad quality cacao. And the more origins you've worked with, the more you're going to know the flavor profiles you like. But if you buy really good cacao, you can do a roast that's on the maybe too hot side or too low side, and it's still gonna be good. And so that's the beauty of buying great quality cacao. There's also other benefits, like you don't have to sort it. You can just load it straight into your roaster and you're not having to pick out flats and rocks and sticks. So those are some serious benefits as a chocolate maker. The second is actually just grinding longer. There's a reason that big companies spend millions and millions of dollars trying to achieve a beautiful texture, because our palate likes silky smooth. And so this goes back to Rudolf Lindt discovering conching. He accidentally left his grinder on for, I think, 2 days over the weekend while he left and went on to a party on a lake in Switzerland, and came back and at first was very upset because he had this big electricity bill. And he went to taste his chocolate, discovered that it was really silky and smooth. It burned off all this additional acetic acid, which is vinegar, but the texture was beautiful. And so that gave him a leg up as he then showcased his chocolate, and everyone was wondering how he did it. And so grind longer is one option for having people perceive your chocolate as better, because texture is really important in taste. So those are my recommendations in order to improve your chocolate if that's what you're looking to do. Aloha, see you next time.